So basically we have seen in this picture that there are two females, one is daughter and one is mother. So I have given a name for the daughter is Reena, and for mother I have given a name for Tina. So Reena was very happy to coming back from the school, as it was the last day of the school. So she was very happy to come back to the home, and then they are coming back to the home. So while crossing the road, by mistakenly Reena from her mother, her hand slips and she ran towards the road, and suddenly one car came towards the Reena, and the car was stopped.
Download the SSB SureShot app from Google Play Store to access courses for written exams like NDA, CDS, and FCAT. You can also find courses for SSB Personality Development and Spoken English. Apply the coupon code SIGNUP15 to get 15% off on your first purchase. Call us on 725-930-7111 for any queries.
Male is of Hina is of 28 years and Ramesh is of 38 years. He is suffering from high disease and he called him Doctor Ramesh has called to Dr. Hina and telling his problem. After that, Hina told to him that you have.
Gentlemen, I perceive two characters in the story. One a girl of age around 8 years and another a lady of age around 35 years whose name is Tanya. And the action of SC saw a girl running through a traffic road curiously. The girl was very excited. So Tanya scared and shouted for help. A man came and he bought a red cloth and waved it towards the traffic to slow it down, and also shouted to stop the cars. As the car stopped, Tanya ran towards the girl and bring back to the side of the road.
Vehicles. The lady, I named her Sita. She saved the girl child and this one.
Picture, I have perceived three characters. One is male, one is female, and a child. So Ram is a private teacher. He was going to school in the morning, where on the way he saw a small child crossing the road, and maybe a lady. He thought it's his mother. So he was waving to that child. So on the road, he saw that both of them were not looking at the traffic coming, but the vehicle was coming from behind. So he ran and saved that child.
Here in my story, I saw a busy road with the vehicles coming continuously one after each. Then there are two main characters in my story. One is the mother and her daughter. When they were returning home from the market, her child saw a man selling balloons across the road, and she ran towards him excitedly. So her mother saw it, but she couldn't help because the vehicles were moving so fast. But the drivers saw her coming, and they stopped by the time, and yet she was safe. And then her mother went and took her across the road and bought some balloons.
The stories, there are two characters. One is the lead character, is the female. Mood is neutral, and the girl child is positive. So on one fine day on Sunday evening, it was her birthday. So they were going to purchase some required materials for the birthday party. So while they were walking onto the road, it was a busy time of evening, around 5 to 7 p.m. where every day people return from their colleges and offices. So from when they were moving ahead towards their destination, suddenly the girl got excited and saw many toys which are in the opposite side of the road. So she went out of excitement, she ran away, and she left the girl's hand and she ran across that.
The action of my story is rescuing a girl child, baby child. I have considered the two characters in the story. One is one female and one is the girl child. And here in this hero of the story is that female girl. I consider her name is Rani, and the girl child I have her name is Pooja. Pooja was very much excited about the things which is around her, and she was so excited, and without any she was not aware of her parents, and she was running over here and there. While Rani is a female, while she was from her way to the home, she was saw the girl child was roaming here and there and passing from the vehicles. So she suddenly approached the girl and took her the girl and gave it to her respective their parents. And by seeing this, all the people they have been appreciated by her and with her bravery. That's it.
So Vishal was going to his office. While walking, he saw a young girl who was in middle of a road. She was unaware of the situation that there are high-speed moving vehicles around her. Vishal saw the mother of the girl near the pathway, and she was worried. So Vishal wasted no time and quickly jumped into action, stopped the vehicle behind the girl, and rescued the girl and united both mother and girl.
My real hero is the shopkeeper, which is in the other side of the road. The girl was seeing for the toys and rushed to the another road, want to cross the road, and the shopkeeper Harsha, he is slowly going he is on the shop. He saw the girl crossing fastly as the vehicles are rushing. He slowly went and stopped the car, hold the cars and took him side. The mother was shouting at the girl, and the boy has saved that Harsha has saved the girl and given to their parents.
Basically, I observed 3 persons named Ravi. He is the hero of my story, and remind you of one woman and a child. Woman of age 32 and a girl 5 years old. Ravi is coming from the market, and the woman and child are going for the market. While going, they are moving very fast. There is a huge traffic. Basically, the girl, they don't know what is happening. She is crossing the road for things to buy. Women also not notice the girl. Ravi coming from the market, he noticed the girl and stopped the vehicles very fast, and he rescued the girl and he gave that girl to the woman.
Ramesh coming from the school, he saw and he reached it to the girl and convinced her that she should not throw garbage on the road and she should pick that garbage, and she convinced. Thank you.
So what I have seen in the picture is there are 3 characters. One is male, one is child named Shakshi. At the age is 6 to 7, and her mother, whose age is 30 to 30. She took a ball and gave it to the Shakshi. Shakshi was playing with it, and suddenly the ball slips from her hand and goes on the road, and she goes running. Shakshi goes running on the ball, running behind the ball. The man who was walking there at the age of 16 to 17, he was going for the tuition. He saw the girl running and he rushed towards her and
In the picture, I have posted 3 characters: one female, one male, and a small child. Ramesh, while he was coming from his office, he saw that a little schoolgirl child rushed on the road. So Ramesh also rushed on the road and took the girl child to the footpath. And after that, he handed over the child to the mother. And he observed that in the city there are many public places such as schools where little childs are there, and there are fast moving roads as well. So he also contacted Public Works Department and identified some of the places, and also advised them to identify such places to make breakers so that speed can be reduced to such places. And because of such steps of Ravi, the accidents was also reduced in the city significantly.
From the picture is that it was a village scene, and there are 3 main characters: mother, father, and a daughter. The daughter was sitting beside the road and she seemed to be very disappointed, and her mother was beside him. She tried to motivate her to get good marks next time, as she was disappointed of his poor result in the exam. So suddenly a car arrived from the road, and her father came, and he tried to convince her that not to get disappointed in this time because of her poor marks. He motivated her for getting good marks next time. She worked hard and get good marks in the next time. Thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe to our new channel SSB Short Plus for exclusive new videos. Also follow us on Instagram for all the latest updates. Check out a Short guide to crack SSB on Amazon. The link is in the description below.